Welcome to our Proper Menubar tutorial series. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to reset your Proper Menubar settings. To get started, click on the Proper Menubar icon in your web browser toolbar. From here, select Options to access the Options page. Once you are on the Options page, navigate to the Advanced Options tab. This tab contains additional tools and features for customizing your experience. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Advanced Options tab. Here, you will find the Reset the Proper Menubar Settings button. Click on the button labeled Reset the Proper Menubar Settings. This will restore all settings to their default values. Do not worry, this process is quick and easy. Once the reset is complete, the Proper Menubar welcome page will appear, confirming that your settings have been successfully restored to default. And that is it. You have successfully reset your Proper Menubar settings. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials. See you next time.